Hello everyone, this is Mr. Garcia from El Monte Rosemead Adult School. What I want to demonstrate to you right now is how to drag and drop files into Moodle. I got several emails over this weekend, students having some trouble with this, so I want to give you an instruction booklet. What you do is you get onto our classroom. Once you get into our classroom, you have the first week activities that we had to do the first week. From there, you're going to scroll down and you'll see something that says writing report. And this is the name of the video that I've asked you to look at and review and write a report on. You're going to click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to see the name again and you're going to see the instructions on what I want you to do. As a reminder, this was an hour and 40 minutes long. You are supposed to take notes and give me at least a minimum of 500 words or one-page single space Arial tall point font. You can also submit it to me via writing, okay? From there, you're going to go down and you're going to say submit. I'm going to submit it, and then it's going to ask me to drag and drop any of the files that go with it. So let's say, for example, I had 2 or 3 pages of this, so this is fine. I'm going to drag and drop it into there, okay? And then after that, it's dragged and dropped. All I have to do is press save. Once I press save, then it's going to say that here's the report. Right now, I have 2 reports because unfortunately, I am under teacher mode. And once you submit one time, it doesn't remove it as fast as possible. But once again, everyone, here's me doing the exact same thing without the narrative. Hope this will help you, everyone. Thank you so much, Mr. Garcia.